see a lollipop lady ever like that? Go round! Go round! She's mental! I always remember you. Of course you can go now. What's going to happen? We're going to give you a lovely round of applause and then you can wander. Is that right?